The Jaintia National Council has submitted a formal complaint to the Commissioner and Secretary of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Sanjay Goyal, alleging an illegal land transfer linked to the proposed integrated cement plant and captive power plant of Shree Cement Limited at Daistong village in East Jaintia Hills. The complaint follows widespread opposition from several pressure groups against Shree Cement Limited's plan to establish the project in the area. Concerns have been raised over environmental impact, community rights, and compliance with land ownership laws. In its submission, the GNC alleged that a tribal landowner, Sirpai Bha Suklan, violated Section 2 of the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971 by illegally selling her land to one Bharat Sharma, who is reportedly representing the proposed cement project. The organization maintained that the sale took place without the required scrutiny, approval or adherence to legal procedures governing the transfer of tribal land. The JNC urged upon the Commissioner and Secretary to initiate immediate action and conduct a thorough inquiry into the alleged violation. Reiterating the need for transparency, the Council said the case highlights the importance of strictly enforcing land protection laws, especially when large industrial projects are planned in sensitive tribal areas.
Today, we, the Jaintia National Council, had submitted a complaint to the Commissioner and Secretary, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong. The complaint which we have submitted is regarding the violation of the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act by Sirpai Bha Suklan, a tribal landowner in Daistong village, Ilka Nongkhle, and by Bharat Sharma, a non-tribal who represent the MS Shree Cement. In the Section 2, Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971 clearly states no person who is not a member of a scheduled tribe found in Meghalaya shall accept with the permission in writing of the Deputy Commissioner acquire by purchase, lease, mortgage, exchange or give any immovable property situated in Meghalaya which is owned by a member of any scheduled tribe, and any transfer or acquisition of immovable property in contravention of this section shall be void. If we look at this Section 2 of the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971, we have found like the Bharat Sharma and the Sirpai Bha Suklan has violated the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act, and the plan of the Meghalaya State Control Pollution Board to conduct a public hearing on 19 December is pure illegal, because they have the procedure of buying the land is illegal. So how can the Pollution Control Board allow to this public hearing to be happen when the procedure of buying the land is illegal? So the totally what is going to happen also is illegal. So we from the JNC, we request the Commissioner and Secretary of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department through our complaint letter to conduct an inquiry regarding the selling and buying of this land, because according to our what we have according to the information we have received, the land which Sirpai Bha Suklan has sold to Bharat Sharma, we didn't receive or we didn't find any permission letter from the government side, and plus also there is no land holding to prove that this land belong to Sirpai Bha Suklan, because in the environmental impact assessment report we didn't find anything like that, especially the permission, whether they receive a permission or not to sell this land from a non-tribal to a tribal to a non-tribal. And plus that also we have seen like there is only four page of document regarding the selling of this land, and that is only the agreement between Bharat Sharma and Sirpai Bha Suklan, and only one witness which is a tribal, and that also Amos Dakhar, which is a son of Serpai Bha Suklain. So we, the JNC, we declare that this is totally illegal. So we want the Commissioner and Secretary of Revenue Department to intervene on this matter and to halt this public hearing, to stop this public hearing from happening, so that such a violation of Meghalaya Land Transfer Act in future, it won't happen. So we urge also the state government, our local representative, the representative from the JHADC, our MLA, to support us and to stop this public hearing, because this is illegal and pure violation of the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act 1971.